Good morning, class. I hope you have completed your yesterday's work. You have matched the page number 11 and 12 of your book with the PDF I have shared with you. Now, today we are going to do page number 14. This page number. I have already shared this PDF to you. Okay, so you have to match from this PDF, but in yesterday's PDF that I have shared you, there was like a misunderstanding, like there was a wrong arrangement of smallest and greatest number. So we have to write smallest number first, because here it is asking for the smallest firstly, and then we have to write the greatest. Okay, so the PDF which I have shared you at the end of your class at 12 p.m. you have to match your page with that PDF, not from that PDF of 30 pages. Okay, so match your this page number 14 with that PDF. Okay, so we have to start it from here to numbers beyond this greatest number. We know that 9 is our greatest number and 1 is our smallest number. So here greatest 6-digit number is given to you, smallest 7-digit number is given to you, and what do we pronounce that? That is also given here. We will pronounce it as 10 lakh. Okay, so the very first answer of your question will be that what is the smallest 7-digit number? It will remain like this, and you have to put commas here like this. Okay, in each step you have to put commas. Okay, just do it. Now after 7-digit we have to read 8-digit number. How do we write 8-digit number? How do we pronounce them? Just go through this page completely. Okay, it will help you in doing the questions. Now you all can do this question with yourself and can match with the given PDF. So the smallest and greatest 8-digit number, you have to write firstly the smallest and then greatest. Here also first smallest 9-digit, then greatest 9-digit number. Now this is a question given to you, what comes just after this? So for after there will be increment of 1 digit only, so you have to add 1 here, and here is your answer. If you add 1 to it, then this will be your answer. And what comes just before this? So before this, it is asking before this, so you have to less 1 from here, you have to minus 1 na? Then this will come. So this is finished. Write in figures, you can do this yourself. Write in words, you can also do this. How to do that? Put the correct sign, greater than, equal to, less than, and all. You are going to do this with yourself. Okay, now without wasting time, let's revise Indian number system. You can see that this is the Indian place value chart, and we are going to do the question based on this chart only. Okay, so I have already solved the first question given here, which is we have to put commas and separate the periods according to Indian place value chart and write them in words. We have to write it like this. Okay, so I will share you how to do this question. This time I am taking this question 7, this 0, 0 and 7. I have written it down here. See, it is asking to separate the periods according to the Indian number system. I told you that we have to make the charts like this. This is just a rough work. You are going to do this by writing it like this. So what are our periods? Ones we have. In ones we have 100. Sorry, ones, tens, 100. Then we have thousands. How do we write? 1000, 10,000. Then we have lakhs, There is also 2 lakh, 10 lakh. Then we have crore, 10 crore. So we have to write this given to here. So we will start writing it from here. 7, then next 7, then next we have 0, 7, 0, 7, 0, 0, 7. 1, 2, 3 here, comma, 1, 2 here, comma, and here, comma. Okay. Now you can easily pronounce that how to write this in words. We have already put the commas according to our Indian system. We have also make periods like ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Now what we have to do? We have to write in words. So in words, I am writing it on the upper side. Both are in crore period. So 70 crore. 70 crore. 07 means 7. 7 lakh. Now 07 means 7. 7,000. Now at 100th place there is nothing, there is 0. So we will pronounce it 77 and 77. This is how we have to write down it in words. 70 crore, 7 lakh, 7,000 and 77. I hope this is clear to you. Now move to next question. In question number 3 we are given write the place value of each digit using an Indian place value system. So we have already done this question. Now we want to go with this. So I have put down the lines like this. See this deeply. Okay. This is how we find out the place value of each digit. So I know that my 7 is on ones place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So here 7 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7. 6 multiplied by at tens place multiply by 0, so it will become 60. 5 is at 100 position, to multiply 5 by 100 it will become 500. 4 is on 1000 position, to multiply it by 1000 it will become 4000. 0 is on 10,000 position, 10,000 position, so it will become 0. 1000, 10,000. Now we have to move to lakh. 3 on lakh position. In lakh we have 5 zeros. So our answer will be 3 lakh. Now 0 is on 10 lakh position. So 0 multiply 10 lakh. Our answer will be 0. Okay. Now 2 is on crore position. So 2 multiply by 1 crore. Our answer is 2 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. Now we want to go with the last term given on 10th crore position. So we know that we have 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 10 crore we have 8 zeros. So our answer will be 10 crore. Okay. This is how we have to find the place values. Question number 3, question number 2. Okay. Now this is our Indian chart system. We call them periods. Our ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, all are periods, and these are our place values. See this. These are our place values. Place values. So our which digit is on which place, we will find it by this place value, that our 2 is on 10 crore position or on crore or on lakh. Okay. Period and place value. These are the short forms. Here we have to write all the place values. Okay, now move to international system. See this. This is the international number system. How is it different from Indian number system? We are going to study about it. Okay, I just want to give you a brief formula between the Indian system and international system. Just keep in mind that thing. First of all, we will write down the periods. So here we have ones, here we have ones also, ones. Now thousands, here also we have thousands, but from here it will be different. Here we will use the term lakh, here we are going to make million, here we have crore, and there will be million. But what is the difference between that? All our periods have, like our ones have 3 sections: ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundreds. Now when we move to our thousandth place, here will be 3 periods: 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and in thousands we have 1000 and 10,000 only. Here are 2 periods, and here are here are 2 sections, and here are 3 sections. Now move to lakh. Lakh and 10 lakh. We have 2 sections here. Now in million, we have million, 10 million, and 100 million. Here we have 3 sections, and in crore we all have crore and 10 crore. In this we have 3 section in our ones, and from thousands in Indian system there will be 2 sections remaining, and in international there will be 3 sections. Okay, there will be same zeros, but the comma we put according to our systems will be different. Okay, so let's study about international system. I have written down the question number this here. Okay, so first of all we have to make a like place value chart here. So I am going to use this. I have to write down this, and I am going to use it here. Okay, we'll do it here. Okay, ones, thousands, and we have millions. So here we are going to create ones tables, thousand tables, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. Now I will put like this. I will start from here 9. So first of all I will write 9, 3, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Now 1, 6, 9. Okay, so how do we pronounce that? We will pronounce it 3 together. Okay, so I will write it here in words. 961 million, 961 million. Here are zeros. So what we are going to do? We are going to pronounce the remaining digits only. So my 3 is in 10th place and 9 is on 1. So this will become 39. So I will write only and 39. 39. That's it. Okay. This is your international number system. How to write in words and how to put commas. So one thing has remained. We have to put here commas. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is. Okay. Now we have to write the place value of each and every digit. This is your question number 6 given into your book, and we are going to do question number this. Okay, so this is on ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. From here 9 multiply 1, because it's on ones position, our answer will be 9. 2 is on 10th position, so multiplied by 10 it will become 20. Now we have 8 on 100 position, to multiply it by 100 it will become 800. 1 is on 1000 place, so 1 multiply 1000 it will become 1000. 4 is on 10,000 place, so 4 into 10,000, our answer will be 40,000. 7 is on 100,000 place, so 7 is on 100,000, it is saying 1000 and 100. We have to put commas like this, not like this. Here we have put commas after every first of all 3, then 2, 2, 2. Here we have to follow 3, 3. Okay, on 100,000 we have 5 zeros, but like lakhs, but here we put comma after each and every 3 digit. Our answer will be 700,000. Okay, now move to million. So in million there will be one more 0, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 million. Now let's move to 10 million. So 0 multiply 10 million, our answer will be 0. Whatever is multiplied to 0 become 0. Now I have 5 on 100 million. 100 million, my answer will be 5 ones are 5 and others will be 0. This is my answer. Okay, hope you got this point. Now come to your book. If you have to find the place value of underlined digit, just do one thing. Write that number first of all, and how much digits are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to put commas according to the international system given in your books. You have to do this question like this. Just like I have to find out the place value of 5. So I have written here 5. How much zeros are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now this question number 8, here a pattern is given in your book. So we have to check the pattern. That, see this question, here is 4, 2, 9. Then all are same, but here is some difference of 2, 7. Then 2, 5. Means it is decreasing by 2 numbers at this position. So we have to decrease 2 here also. So 25 will become 23, and we have to decrease 2 here also, it will become 21. Okay, so you have to do all this question like this. Now come to last question. Write the largest and smallest 7-digit numeral using the digits this without repeating any digit. Okay, so I have written down the given digits here: 7, 3, 8, 4, 0, 5 and 2. So I have to make one largest digit by using these digits, and I have to make a smallest digit. So first of all I have to count how much digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits are there. So for largest we using the descending order. Okay, so in largest I want to go with the very large number given here. 8 is the largest. 8. Smaller than 8 is 7. Smaller than that is 5. Smaller than 5 is 4. Smaller than 4 is 3. And smaller than 3 is 2. And the smallest is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my largest 7-digit number. Now I have to make the smallest digits by using these numbers. So what is the smallest? I told you the very 1 digit smallest number is 1 0 नहीं होता, 0 is not the smallest number, 1 is the smallest number. Okay, so 1 is not there, so we are going to write here 2. After that we will write 0, then greater than that is greater than 2 is 3, then 4, then 5, then 7, and in the end we have 8. This is my largest and smallest 7-digit number. Okay, now all the questions given on page number 21, we have already discussed these questions. First of all, we have to write down according to our Indian place value chart, then according to our international, and then we have to write in words. So this is completed. We have already discussed this also. I have shared the PDF, and don't forget that you have to match your page number 14 from the last PDF which I gave you in last period yesterday. Do not match it with that 30 pages of PDF, because there some answers are wrong. So match this from the PDF, and again I am going to share the PDF of same page to you. Okay, till then take care and revise this chapter. From tomorrow we are going to start our next chapter, that is Roman numbers, and I hope you have already done this. We have already revised this, so you have already done this chapter. I will take your test also and will share the topics with you, that what will be given to you in the test. And from tomorrow we are going to start chapter 3, Roman numbers. Okay.